Short circuits are created when the hot and neutral wires touch, and the circuit is completed before the load. In this case, the current no longer flows through the entire circuit, and with no resistance, the current rises. Without any protection, this increased current will cause the wires to heat up, burn out, and will start an electrical fire. In a protected circuit, the extra current will trip the circuit breaker or will blow the fuse. Now, if an appliance keeps tripping the breaker, then it's likely that there's an internal short. In this case, you'll have to locate and repair the damaged wires or component. Then the breaker must be reset or the fuse replaced. If you want to learn more about the fundamentals of circuits, then watch the video linked below. For more troubleshooting on water heaters, furnaces, and appliances, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.